Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today for Quintell in North Carolina on the Galaxy DX-47HP. Alright, Quintell, we got the power all the way down here. And we're going to take a look up here. We got 10 watts on the top scale. All the way down is 3. Then I'm going to take and put it on 100 watt scale. So that scale now is add a 0 to every one of them. Alright, so there's my 3 watts. Now if I turn the power all the way up, you see it goes to 30. Okay, so over here, the 250 slug. That's 100 watts right there. We're going to add 2 zeros. So 10 is 100. And that little slash right there, that first little slash is 25, 125. And that's where we're going to. Audio, check, audio. Excuse me. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. All right. And that's all there is to show you on the power of that radio. Put it on here real quick. Breaker 19 for radio check. How about a 19's my radio getting out? Come on. Thank you, darling.